We're just outside the door of Ancient Wood Shop this morning, taking a quick video on this bright, beautiful springtime day of these two tables that are on their way to Texas. We're in the midst of a finishing process. We brought them out to give them a little sun, help our finishing system cure a little better, and also enjoy this beautiful spring day. But I couldn't resist taking a little video. Look at the light play in the grain of this stuff. It is so pretty. This has got an inlay down the center of this table of MegaCurl. And some beautiful curls in this piece, and also bug holes on the edge, which you may see. We've filled with a bronze and epoxy filler. It's working out really well for us. Very happy with it. Anyway, very cool tabletop. Thought I'd share that with you. Got the twin to it right over here. Out selling themselves today. We're at www.ancientwood.com. Thanks for having a look with us today.